I am Dr. Vijay Sudhakar. Now I am going to discuss the topic is age based problem part 1. Important formulae on ages. Number 1, if the current age is x, then n times the age is nx. Number 2, if the current age is x, then age n years later or ends equal to x plus n. If the current age is x, then age n years ago equal to x minus n. The ages in ratio a is to b will be ax and bx. If the current age is x, then 1 by n of the age is x by n. Now we will discuss few problems based on this the given formula. Now the first question is age, Suman age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Suman? Now let the Suman age, let Suman age is x. After 15 years, after 15 years, Suman age equal to x plus 15. Now that will be equal to 5 times his age 5 years back. This will be equal to 5 times of his age 5 years back. That indicates x plus 15, that will be equal to 5 times of his age 5 years back. 5 years back means what has to come? X minus 5. Now x plus 15 equal to 5x minus 25. Now we are going to do the simplification here. Now 15 plus 25 equal to 5x minus x. So that will come 40 equal to 4x. X equal to 10. Therefore, the present age, initially we assumed let the Suman age is what? X. Now we got the x value, x equal to 10. Therefore, the present age of Suman is 10 years. Right. Now the second question. Reena was born 2 years after her father's marriage. So Reena born after her father's marriage. Her mother is 5 years younger than her father. Here the comparative father's and mother's age. Mother's age is what? 5 years younger than her father, but 20 years older than Reena. Now they given the present age. Reena, who is 10 years old. The present age of Reena is what? 10 years old. At what age did the father get married? Here our question is, we are going to find out the father age at the time of what? Marriage. Now one thing is very clearly given. First we are going to consider the Reena age. Reena's present age. Reena present age. Reena present age is what? 10 years. And also they given her mother is 20 years older than Reena's. Therefore that mother age is what will come? 10 plus 20 years. That will be what? 30 years. Our mother age is what? 30 years. And here they are comparing that mother age under the what? Father age. The comparison comes, it says very clearly, her mother is 5 years younger than her father. Here we got the mother age. Therefore that the father age will be what? 30 plus 5. The father age will be what will come? 30 years plus 5, that become what? 35 years. So we got the thing is what? They given that Reena age 10 years. By using this, first we are going to identify whose mother age. So mother is what? 20 years older than Reena. That's why 10 plus 20 we are adding, we are getting the what? Mother's age is what? 30 years. Again we are comparing one more thing. Her father age under the what? Mother age. The comparative says very clearly her mother is what? 5 years younger. That's the reason our father age will be what? 30 plus 5, 35 years. Now we are going to find out that here first our father age at the time of what? Our Reena's birth. Reena is 10 years old, means at the time of Reena's birth we are going to what? Subtract 10 years. Reena's for Reena's birth, at the time of birth, Reena's father age at the time of Reena's birth, Reena's father age at the time of what? Birth of Reena. Now Reena is what? 10 years old. Now we are going to find out the Reena's father age at the time of what? Reena's birth. So what will come? 35 minus 10. That gives what? 25 years. At the time of Reena's birth, what? Her father age become what? 25 years. Actually, Reena was born 2 years after her father's marriage. So now we are going to find out what age did the father get married. Actually, at the time of Reena's birth, her father age will be what? Actually, you got it 25 years. Actually, Reena's born was 2 years after her father's marriage. Now, the father age at the time of marriage. Here they given very clearly, Reena was born what? 2 years after her father's marriage. Now, at the time of birth is what? Father age is what they given? 25 years. Now, after 2 years only. Therefore, at the time of marriage, here what? 25 minus 2. Because 2 years, after 2 years only what? Reena's birth. Now, here that father age will be what? 23 years at the time of get. Now, the third problem. The present age of Raj is 1/6 of his father's present age. If the difference between their present age is 35 years, then what is his father present age? Now, the present age of Raj, let the present age Raj age, we are assuming as a what? X. His father age, we are assuming is a what? Y. If the difference between their present age is what? 35 years. Difference y minus x is what? 35. And one more thing they are telling here. The present age of Raj is 1/6 of his father's present age. Therefore, x equal to 1/6 of what? 1/6 of his father's age. X equal to 1/6 of y. Now, they given that one more thing also. Difference between their ages, y minus x is what? 35. Now, we are going to substitute in this. X value we got it y by 6. Y by 6 equal to 35. Now, we are taking this as a common. 6y minus y equal to 35. Therefore, 5y by 6 equal to 35. 7. y equal to 42. What is present? What is father's present age? Now we got it. Y value. Y value is what? 42 years. Therefore, is present age of father. Father's present age. Father's present age is 42 years. That's okay. This is the answer to the given question. Now we'll continue that next one. The sum of the present ages of a father and his son is 60 years. When it is 6 years ago. See that very carefully. Sum of the present ages of a father and his son. If you are going to add these two, that value become what? 60 years. When it is 60 years ago. Father age was 5 times the age of the son. Find the son age after 6 years. First we are going to take it. Let the age of his son. Let the age of his son x and father age is what? 60 minus x. Because if you are going to sum these two only, that become what? 60. X plus 60 minus x, that gives what? 60. When it is 6 years ago. Now 6 years ago. That's why here given this thing is what? 6 years ago. This thing is happening when it is 6 years ago. That's why we are going to subtract that. 60 minus x, that should be equal to what they given? Father age was 5 times. Father, this age will be what? 5 times of x minus 6. Why it is x minus 6? X is a what? Son age. The given it is what? 6 years ago. 6 years ago means we are going to subtract that. Here also what? 6 years ago. Father age minus 6. Son age minus 6. Father age is 5 times of his son age. Now 60 minus 6, that become what? 54 minus x equal to 5x minus what will come? 30. Now here that 30 comes this side. 54 plus 30. This goes that side, what will become? 6x. Now 84 equal to 6x. Therefore x equal to 14. Here find the son age after 6 years. Here the son age is what we consider x. X equal to 14. But we are going to find out that what? After 6 years. The son age after 6 years. That will be what? X plus 6. X value is what we got it? 14. 14 plus 6. That become what? 20 years. Therefore, the son age after 6 years will be what? 20 years. The next question. The average age of 3 boys is 21 years. If their ages are in the ratio 5:7:9. Find the age of the youngest boy. Now, let the age of 3 boys. We are assuming let the age of the 3 boys. We are taking as a what? What they given the ratio? 5, 7, 9. We are considering is a what? 5x, 7x and 9x. Now the average of 3 boys given is what? 21 years. That's why we are taking as a what? 5x plus 7x plus 9x, whose average only they given. Average will be what? 21 years. Now we are going to add the value, become here 12 plus 9, 21. 21 x divided by 3. equal to 21. Now 21 will get cancelled. Then x equal to become what? 3. Now actually here we have that the average 3 boys, the age of the 3 boys, we got it what? 5x, 7x and that 9x. Our aim is to find the age of the youngest boy, which is the least value among the 3. Now x value we got it what? 3. Therefore the youngest boy, the age of the youngest boy equal to what? 5x. We got the x value is what? 3. 5 into 3. That will come what? 15 years. The age of the youngest boy is what? 15 years. So you got it very clearly. First the average ratio they given. We are going to add the ratio whose average will be what? 21. That's the reason we are adding this average and what? Cancelling both the sides, we are getting the x value. After finding the x value, we have to find the youngest boy age. Here the youngest boy among the 3 is what? The ratio value which is less 5. Therefore 5 into x, that value gives what? 15 years. This is the youngest boy age. The continuation of the age problem. The ratio between the ages of Soy and Monish is 5:4. After 7 years, Soy age will be 27 years. When it is after 7 years. Okay. What is the Monish present age? Now we are taking that the Soy age and the Monish age. Let the present age of Soy and Monish. We are assuming it is what? 5 and 4x. After 7 years, Soy age will be 27. The present age of Soy is what? 5x. Therefore 5x after 7 years, 5x plus 7, that will be equal to what? 27. See very carefully. Here initially they given the ages of what? Soy and the Monish. And after 7 years of Soy age will be equal to what? 27 years. Actually present age of Soy we consider as a what? 5x. That's the reason 5x plus 7 equal to 27. And 5x equal to what will come? 20. Therefore x equal to 4. Now our aim is to find what is the Monish present age. Actually we assumed the Monish present age is what? 4x. Therefore the Monish present age equal to what? 4x. X value we got it what? 4. 4 into 4 becomes 16. Therefore that Monish present age is what? 16 years. Okay, you got it? Right. We will move on to the next question, the continuation of age problem. The average age of a woman and her daughter is 24. Here see the problem carefully. Here the average of woman and the daughter, average. Read the word very carefully here. The average age of a woman and her daughter is what? 24 years. The ratio of their ages is 3:1 respectively. The ratio. Here the word you have to read very carefully. First one is what? Average. The second is represent what? Ratio. Respectively. What is the daughter age? Now first we are going to take let the age of woman, let the age of a woman and her daughter we are assuming what ratio they given, that we are going to consider. Here the ratio is given is what? Let the age of a woman and her daughter we are assuming is a what? 3x and x. And average age of a woman and daughter is what they given? 24. Therefore average age of a woman and her daughter is what? 24 years. Our question is, what is the daughter age? So now we are going to consider first the ratio. Here 3x plus x, that value is equal to average. It is not a woman age, it is not a daughter age, it is a what? Average. That's the reason we are putting what? 2 into 24. So that 4x equal to what? 48. Now the value of x equal to become what? 12. Now actually the question is what? What is the daughter age? Here initially we assume that the age of the woman and the daughter age we initially assumed as a what? 3x and x. Now we got the x value is what? 12. Our aim is to find the what? Daughter age. Daughter age is what we assumed initially, what? X. Therefore the daughter age is what? 12 years. Okay, good. Next, the continuation of the age problem only. The average age of a group of 25 children is what? 12.5. If the age of two of them are 8 and 10, find the average age of remaining 23 children. You be very careful here. Here the average age of 25 children, the average age of 25 children, what they given is what? 12.5. That indicates sum of the 25 children age is what will come? 12.5 into 25. That gives what? Sum of the 25 children age. And also one more thing they given, the age of two of them, they given two boys age separately. Here the age of two children, what they given? 8 and 10 respectively. That indicates here it is what? 8 plus the age of two children, age 8 plus 10, you are adding that value become what? 18. Now our aim is to find that only what? 23 children. That is the sum of the 23 children age equal to what will come? 12.5 into 25. From the 25 students, we are going to subtract the value of the what? The age of two students. So that value gives what? 23. So we are going to consider what? 23 children. So that 23 children. That will become what? 1.2.5 minus what? 18. That gives 294.5. Here that the sum of the year they given very initially they given 25 children's average age. From that they given two students age separately. That age is what? 10 and 8 respectively. That's the reason that addition gives what? 18. Our aim is to find that the what? Average age of 23 children. First we have to find the sum of the 23 children age. Sum of the 23 children age from the 25 minus what? 18. That gives the 312.5 minus 18 is what? 294.5. This is the what? Sum of the 23 children age. Our aim is to find average age of what? 23 children. That gives 294 by 5 divided what? 23, which gives that what? 12.8. Therefore the average age of 23 children, that shows what here? 12.8. You got it very clearly? The average of 25 children is what? 12.5. And sum of the 25 children is what? 25 into 12.5. The age of two children, they given separately age of two children. One is 8, another one is what? 10. We are adding the 2, that gives what? 18. First we are going to find the sum of the 23 children, means from the 25 children minus what? The 2 children's age. That gives the data is what? 294. Our aim is, the questions they are asking what? Average. Read the questions here. Average. That's the reason the last value divided by what? 23. That gives a what? Average age of 23 children. The value comes here 12.8 years. Okay.